This video has brought to you Kashmiri Walnut and Mint Chutney, a savory with a melange of fresh herbs and Kashmiri walnuts. Stay tuned till the end to watch the recipe. Take 1 cup of fresh coriander, 1 cup of fresh mint and 3 to 4 green chilies and chop these herbs. I've taken here a Kashmiri traditional mortar and pestle to grind the herbs together. Firstly, I'm grinding the mint leaves. Once it's finely ground, take it out and reserve it. Now grind the coriander leaves. Take it out as well. Now take chopped green chilies and add some salt. Here I have added 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the chilies are ground to a paste, it's time to add the herbs, coriander and mint that we have previously ground. And again we will mix them together by grinding, and here you can adjust the salt. Now take out the herb mixture and drain away the water. Now take half a cup of Kashmiri walnuts and coarsely grind them. Once they are done, we will add the mixed herbs. And again grind this mixture till all the ingredients completely combine together. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed powder to enhance the flavor. The walnut and mint chutney is ready to be dished out. Team it up with your favorite Kashmiri dishes. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned to Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes.